Watch, Presley. It's got in my nose.
Oh, nice and warm. So this morning, man, Josh, you look really tired. Well, yeah, I am, because the kids start snowing. We stayed up all night. Power was in and out all night, and we didn't sleep much. But I had to get my drone shots this morning, so that's one way to do. It might not be the safest thing to drive around, but because we're Texans and we don't know what we're doing. But I gotta get that shot, so I'm gonna find a good safe spot to do some drone footage today. Alright, it is day 2 of the winter storm of Lytle, Texas. The big wave, the big chill, whatever you want to call it. Electricity has been out for about a day and a half now, which totally sucks. So I'm going to go to the store and try to find some firewood and some charcoal or something to kind of keep warm outside. My parents have power, so I'm going to go over there real quick and drop them off a little bit of food so they can make us some breakfast while I'm going to the store. I haven't had my coffee this morning, so I was like, man, I need some coffee. So I'm going to get some coffee, and then H-E-B, our local grocery store, is apparently out of a lot of food because obviously the 18-wheelers can't get in and drop the food off, so drop their shipment off. So should be interesting. Hopefully there's not too long of a line, and see what happens. Might have to go hunting here a little bit, find some elk, maybe some buffalo, maybe some tiny baby dogs. I think we have 4. We have 4 dogs. I mean, we could always just go down to 3 if we had to. I'm not really a big fan of Finn. I'm joking, of course. Calm down. Calm down, I'm joking. Okay, H-E-B is done. It took me about an hour or so, waited in line for an hour. Not too bad, but it's done. I got a lot of stuff we can snack on for the night. So, good times. Now, time to go home. Yay. Alright, Don. How you holding up? How's the big chill treating you so far? Gotta turn this down a little.
I guess I'm just thankful that we have a roof over our heads.
That's right. Anything else
Cold.
going on? Anything you're mad at? Anything you want to complain about? Anything good for the show? Got something good, no?
I
Are
mean,
you gonna stay positive on this one?
yeah,
You're taking the
it
positive
could
route.
be so much worse.
You're right.
I'm complaining, yes, but we're surviving and we'll be fine.
That's right. That's the attitude. But this dog right here, or no AC, no power, no water. How's the sun handling?
I was playing Geometry Dash. I made a level.
Really?
Yeah, it's for a gaming class.
But
I called it Mom's level because Mom's my teacher
yeah,
in the gaming.
gaming world.
Yes.
How are you handling everything?
I'm handling it fine.
You sure about that?
No.
Anything that you not enjoying about this?
Well, I'm not able to take a shower anymore.
You never took showers.
Uh,
That's your
I don't like the fact that, it's cold. Maybe the CPS, Child Protection Services. What is it? Wait, what does it stand for?
City Public Service.
They could be a little bit smarter.
I'll tell you what. I gotta check on your food.
Unless
to be continued.
Okay.
I gotta check on my food.
My food.
Ah, crap! I forgot the tongs. Need my tongs.
Man, I'm starting to sweat in here. I had to put basketball shorts on.
I'm sorry. What's going on?
I said I started to sweat. Maybe you should pray about it. Give me some better heat.
I tell you what. Our family has been meditating on the Lord.
St. Jude.
St. Jude or St. Jude. We haven't had power in a day and a half.
For real?
Yes, but we must go on. How is the interwebs? It's been so long since I've had internet.
69 degrees Fahrenheit. We're getting a little more.
It's a little 34 degrees in here.
How are y'all staying warm?
Also, do they just take care of the people that live in Hollywood Park? They don't care about us losers in Lytle? Is that what the problem is?
Hang on, I gotta pause the TV.